is good. Let me tell you your future.
My dear Sagittarius, welcome back. On Monday, you will leave your partner ecstatic with the intensity of your love. Your sweetheart will be on cloud 9 for your caring and affectionate nature. You will be able to please him or her emotionally. Tonight, you are ready to stimulate your lover, and passionate lovemaking is on the cards. Your ability to let go things will reflect in your personal as well as your professional life. Today could be a significant day for you, and your stars advise you not to forget your special abilities. Make good use of them so that others too can benefit. You will have high energy today, however, you need to keep your fire under check. You also need to control anger or aggression. Stay composed and convert your energy into something positive by channelizing it. Also, avoid consuming spicy food as it could disturb your stomach. On Tuesday, you will be happy to help others and you will not mind helping them financially too. Neptune suggests you to be sure of financial returns of your investments done today. It is better to be calculative than ignorant. Bravo, your presence of mind will be brilliant. Your talent, skill, intelligence will fetch quick progress and will be highly appreciated. The sun feels that your brilliance will give a considerable push to your career. It will give you the mental satisfaction. On Wednesday, only routine stuff will occupy your mind. You will be ready to simplify your assignments. Avoid anything that requires more than a casual attention. Try to stay away from complex projects as stars reveal that it would be difficult for you to pay attention to quality. You will be very sensitive about the image you project socially and professionally. Jupiter sees you treating this very seriously and doing everything you can to make this right impression. Today you will remain decent, dignified and focused in all that you do. Do not be too eager to please others. Focus on your own interests and concerns. Otherwise, you could make mistakes and cut a sorry figure. Direct your energies towards meaningful ends. Deep reflection, self-analysis will not be out of place. On Thursday, your monetary problems will continue to bother you. You will not let small expenses get in the way of things. You may make money from different sources. If you stay independent, then you may generate wonderful results at the workplace. Love life, on the other hand, will blossom. You will want to spend as much time as possible with your beloved. You need to stay attached to your sweetheart even though your daily work seems to be more important today. On Friday, in the first half of the day, judgment may be a little off with Venus aspect in play. Some hesitation about expressing your affections or stiffness in your communications and interactions may result. Your timing may be a bit off, but it's temporary. You might only need a bit more time with your feelings before embracing them. The moon spends the day in a fellow earth sign, helping you feel more natural and forward focused. Even so, the urge to break out of a routine can clash with your need to take things easy, and the moon squares to Mercury and the sun highlight this conflict. A compromise is possible, and the restlessness this tension stirs may lead you to important changes or improvements. On Saturday, you are standing at a critical juncture in your relationship and you will be blessed with unusual clarity of vision today. You will be able to judge clearly and without emotion where you were and where you are now going. You will also be able to judge whether you are happy with the direction your life has taken and whether to stick to this course or not. The day is favorable for those in construction business. You should invest your money well today as this opportunity is likely to be short-lived. If you are thinking of buying a house or an apartment, you can land a good bargain today. Some financial strategies which you had adopted a long time ago in this field will bear fruits now. On Sunday, singles might get a chance to start a relationship during this phase and may give fitting responses to any gestures by members of the opposite gender. On the money front, beware as the middle of the week might bring complications. Do not take unnecessary risk to increase your income. On the career front, businessmen might make some major gains. Planetary movements might support businessmen aiming to strike a big ticket deal. Salaried people might face pressure from their seniors to work more to increase their output. The week might bring challenges for job holders. Students pursuing graduation might run into some barriers. Their progress might be stalled. Students doing research might get guidance from their mentors. On the health front, there may be no major problems. Beware of any viral infections. Visit a doctor if need be, but do not ignore even the smallest symptom.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.